Today, I'm going to talk about be your own boss. In the history of a human being, there was not so much easy to be your own boss as much as easy in this era because of we are passing through the age of digitalization. Because of each and every person from us can create a digital store on eBay, Shopify, or Amazon. I think so. This is very much easy. This is, I think so, a minimum amount is needed to start this business because of each and every person who has a store, digital store on eBay, Amazon, or Shopify, or any digital platform, even TikTok seller shop or Facebook marketplace. This can give you a wonderful business because of a large number of millions of people are working on these platforms from the whole world. I think so. The Amazon, Alibaba, and eBay are the biggest dons of digital businesses. These platforms are giving a large number of assistances. The millions of products can be sold on these platforms, and I think so. You should one of those sellers who are selling hundreds of things, hundreds of items, products on eBay, Amazon, Alibaba, and Shopify as well. I think so. These platforms can fulfill all those requirements, all those dreams which are unfulfilled till now. So I shall always give you directions, give you suggestions, give you instructions in this regard. Please join me, follow me, and share my videos with your friends and even family members. This content is very, very wonderful to understand for you people to get successful in your upcoming career. Thank you.